Hello and welcome to Small Cap Nation. I'm Jane King at the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, and with me today is David Elmaleh, the founder of AZTherapies. Welcome, David. Thank you for coming. And very curious to hear about this Alzheimer's treatment that your company is working on, and that was just approved by the FDA for phase 3 clinical trials. Tell me about the treatment.
We are in a large phase 3 trial all over the world. We initiated last September, and we are progressing in the US and Europe in many sites. And what we are doing is trying to change the path of the disease and trying to allow people to live another few more years in a normal life.
To live a quality life.
The quality of life to be a little bit much better, because by the time we are 80, one of every 3 of us is going to have Alzheimer.
Now this drug is called AZTherapies.
Yes.
Tell me about the treatment.
Our treatment is a combination treatment, and we are trying to attack 2 mechanisms of action that are causing the disease to progress.
By 2050, it's estimated Alzheimer's disease will triple in terms of occurrences, and yearly cost will top $1 trillion. I mean, it's terrifying, this disease, and what it could do to families and financial situations. So.
You're right. That's really one of the biggest problems why it's getting a lot of attention. My first publication was in 1986. Nobody was interested at that time.
Okay.
But now it really becomes something that may affect the whole economy in the US.
Sure.
and in the world, not just in the US. And they have to really pay attention to it.
You also are working on a stroke treatment as well, and I know they're interrelated diseases.
That's right. What we have in the stroke study, we have about 500 subjects that were approved to do for kind of a pivotal study, phase 2. 500 subjects. We have 35 sites in the US that agreed to work with us, 6 in Canada and 6 in Israel. And we believe that study will end by the end of 2017. And from our point of view, that's really another milestone that we will hit.
I want you to talk about your scientific advisors, because I understand you have a very impressive panel.
Yeah, our scientific advisory board is from probably the top people in the area of Alzheimer. Dr. Rudy Tanzi is one of the persons that really actually discovered the genes for the Alzheimer, and his group is involved in so many researches. We really have the best people in the field, and actually we are meeting with them and we are talking to them, and that's the most important part. They can criticize us, they tell us what to do, and they help us in putting together the right protocols.
Right, well, some of the best minds in science and finance coming together to hopefully solve this problem that so many families are dealing with and could have a huge impact on us for another generation. So thank you so much for sharing the story of AZTherapies and your treatments that are going on with Alzheimer's and stroke today, David. Thank you very much.
I really thank you.